Taz, do you want to share any tips that helped you while getting familiar with the protocol, while creating the diagrams, or anything that you want to say?
Take a break when you're tired, and maybe also sit in a place where there's little distractions so you can focus. So I think like the max, I think I was like focused for like 1 or 2 hours, and then I would take like 2 hours break and then do the same thing again.
Funny that you say that. I tried Pomodoro because there was a huge hype on Twitter about this, and a lot of jokes. It didn't work very well for me, to be honest, this Pomodoro method. But then I just went back to my actual method, which is like using the calendar. So I just put on my calendar just, what I'm working on right now, and then I get a reminder, and also like it when it's organized. So I put like block of 1 hour, review this contract, or 2 hours, try to write POC, 3 hours, review this contract, 1 hour, submit this finding. This is like, I put my tasks in the calendar as time blocks, and that's what helps me get things done. So that's another tip on my end. Another disclaimer, it was hard for me to focus in this contest in particular because I just moved to Thailand, and I saw a lot of friends that I haven't seen for a long time that lived with me and worked with me in Singapore. And I don't know if if you are from Europe, and the first time that you see like incredible views and like beaches and like just, like amazing views. So yeah, it was a bit hard to go back to the screen and to the code, but I did my best. So yeah, it was a bit hard, challenging to focus, but you find your ways, everyone with his own ways. Taz shared his tips. These are my tips.